Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change profile username on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then here please tap pencil icon at the top. And then you can select which profile you need to change its username. And then here please type a new username. And go back. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change username on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.